Okay, I'm still at my friend Donna's house, and this is the second wig that she has chosen from the Wig Company. And this one is Raquel Welch on in 10 in the color Shadow Shades Ice Java. And the color is really, really rich. It is beautiful. I love all these little bitty flippy layers. You may want to keep that one out of your face, I don't know. We're just doing a close-up. You can see the colors real well this way. It has a longer fringe. The fibers are so realistic. Comes just down right past the edge of the neck. And this one is basic in the front, but Donna's hair is the exact color. So I encouraged her just to pull a little bit out at the very front and pull that widow's peak out, and we just blend it in. So we haven't done anything but take this one out of the box and put it on, but I just wanted you guys to see how pretty this one is. Okay, we'll catch you again soon.